Chairman, maiba lang po ako ha kasi kayo din po naman na timing kayo, ito po pala ay nasa inyo pong komite no yung Article 11 sa ating pong saligang batas na accountability of public officers. This might be a little bit too late now pero can you just clarify po during the deliberation of this provision yung pong section 4, in case the verified complaint or resolution of impeachment is filed by at least one-third of all members of the House, the same shall constitute the articles of impeachment, and trial by the Senate shall forthwith proceed. Opo, ang sabi po dito ni Ginoong Escudero na Senate
Shall
President,
forthwith proceed.
opo, ang sabi po dito ni Ginoong Escudero, hindi po, no? Ang sabi niya dito, ang kanya interpretasyon, ito po ay, may proceed, within reasonable time, yun ang sinasabi niya. Can you just explain, sir, ano ba ang ibig sabihin po during your deliberation, kung ito po yung napag-usapan, ng forthwith proceed?
Alam po ninyo, all he has to do is look at the dictionary or a source of meanings of words. Na what does it mean to proceed forthwith? Ano na nakalagay? Immediately. It means immediately. Kasi it's important in enforcing the accountability ng mga government people. It's important na it's addressed immediately. Di ba? Kasi they have betrayed the public trust. Public office is a public trust. And when they betray the public trust, they must be put on the chair to say, hey, meron ditong impeachment, and it has to be acted immediately. I think that what happens in the Senate is that the senators did not want to have a hearing on television before elections, even if it's not completed, kasi lumabas ang true self nila doon sa deliberations on television of the trial of impeachment of the Vice President. Baka mawalaan sila ng boto kung however way they go, di ba? Parang ayaw nilang mapublicize yung kanilang sarili, yung what they really are, and where their loyalties lie. Kaya pinospone nila yung trial until after elections.
Opo. So, again, doon po sa sagot ni Ginoong Escudero na ang definition para sa kanya ng forthwith ay within reasonable time is out of order, Mr. Chairman.
Oo. Opo. Magaling sa kanya si Senate President, di ba? Maliwanag na ang ibig sabihin ng forthwith proceed is immediately.